Welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. Let's discuss about parallel lines. The topics which we are going to deal in parallel lines are as follows. The first one is all about intersecting lines, followed by parallel lines, transversal, two parallel lines intersected by traversal. So these are the topics which we are going to deal in this GTech video. Now let's discuss about intersecting lines. The two lines having only one point in common are called as intersecting lines. So here we have a blue color line and a red color line which is intersecting at a common point. So this is a common point. So if you see about parallel lines, two lines drawn in a plane are parallel if they do not intersect, even if they are produced. The distance between the parallel line is the same. So this was one such property of a parallel line, and this seems to be the definition. Let's discuss about transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines at different points is called as transversal. So this was a different point and this again a different point in a line. So this is all about the transversal line. When a transversal intersects two lines, we can see and mention as line M, and line N is over here. 8 angles are formed, 4 angles at each point, P and Q respectively as well. So these angles are identified by their positions. If you see, we have a numbering over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was an angle. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. So these are called as exterior angles since it's outside. And angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are called as interior angles since it's inside. So if you see angle 1 and 5, that is angle 1 and 5, 2 and 6, that is 2 and 6, 4 and 8, over here it's 4 and 8, 3 and 7. So these are actually pairs. So 3 and 7. So these are the pairs of corresponding angles. This 1 for 5, 2 for 6, 4 for 8 and 3 for 7. And if you see this one, in terms of the exterior angle, angle 1 and angle 7 are one pair, and angle 2 and angle 8. So these are the pairs of alternate exterior angles. If you see about this one in a similar way, angle 4 and angle 6 is a pair, and angle 3 and angle 5 are pairs of alternate interior angles. Apart from this, angle 4 and angle 5 is one such pair. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 6 is one such pair. So these are the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Apart from this, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. That is, angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 4 equals to angle 8 and angle 3 equal to angle 7. You can have a comparison over here. Angle 1 which is equal to angle 5, 2 equal to 6, angle 4 equal to angle 8 and angle 3 equal to angle 7. So if you see above, each pair of alternate interior angles which is equal, that is nothing but angle 6 equal to angle 3. Similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 4. So these are the pair of alternate interior angles which is equal. And each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, that is 180 degree. So based on these statements and logistics which we have seen, we'll be having the problems in which will be as follows. So we have few more statements in terms of the transversal. If two lines intersected by a transversal or parallel in terms of either aspects of any one of the pair of corresponding angle is equal, or else any one pair of alternate interior angle will be equal, or else any one pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Lines which are parallel to the same line or parallel to each other. It's quite a common fact. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed will be equal to the sum of the two interior angles, that is opposite angles, which is nothing but the interior opposite angles. And the lines which are parallel to the same line or parallel to each other. So you can find the lines which are parallel to the same line and as well is parallel to each other as well. And we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And if a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Let's go with some examples. In the figure, we got to find the values of x and y. Then we got to show that AB is parallel to CD. So this is a given figure. In a given figure, a transversal intersects two lines. So this is the transversal line that intersects AB and CD, such that since it's a straight line, you can see, so x plus 50 equal to 180 degree. We don't know the values of this angle, so we have mentioned x. Since we know it's 50 degree, so we can sum up x plus 50, which is equals to 180 degree. In order to find the value of x, it's 180 minus 50 degree. By taking 50 to this side, it will be minus 50, which will be 130 degree. So this side it's 130. So y equal to 130 degree, because according to the vertical opposite angle, it will be having the same value. So y equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle x equal to angle y equal to 130 degree, which is the alternative angles. By this we can prove that AB is converse of the alternative angle axiom, which has been proved. So AB is parallel to CD. Let's go with the next example. In the figure, if AB is parallel to CD, then EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED is 126 degree. We got to find angle AGE and GEF and also FGE. Let's go with the solution. So this is a given figure. In a given figure, AB is parallel to CD and also EF is perpendicular to CD and CED. So this is 126 degree. We need to find AGE. So AGE is equal to GED. Since it's alternative angle, it will be equal. So angle AGE equal to angle GED, that is 126 degree. So now we got the angle AGE. Now if we see about angle GEF, so this is GEF. Angle GEF equal to angle GED minus DEF. So in order to find GEF, we can find it out by GED minus DEF. Since we know 126 degree, which is the angle of GED, we can substitute 126 degree. And DEF, it's 90 degrees since right angle triangle. So if we subtract, we'll be getting 36 degree. Therefore, angle DEF equal to 90 degree. Also, if you see about this one, angle AGE, that is angle AGE plus angle FGE, it will be equal to 180 degree as per the linear pair axiom concept. Since we know the value of AGE, we can substitute it as 126 degree. In order to find out FGE, we can take this 126 degree by that side, it will become minus 126 degree. On subtracting, we will be getting the angle FGE, which is 54 degree. So we got the answer. Angle AGE, it's 126 degree. Angle FGE, that is 54 degree, and we got the answer for angle GEF, which is 36 degree. Now let's move on to the next problem. In the figure, if PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR equal to 110 degree, which is given in the question, and angle RST equal to 130 degree, and we got to find angle QRS. So this is a given figure which has been represented over here. Now let's move on to the solution. The solution is that extend PQ to Y. So this one is PQ. So we have extended PQ to Y by this side, which is indicated in red color, and we have drawn LM. So now LM is parallel to ST through R. Angle TSX, that is nothing but angle TSX, which is equals to angle QX, which is the alternative angles. So from this we got the value angle QSX equal to 130 degree. Angle QSX, that is angle QSX plus, if you sum up, angle RXQ, which is 180 degree as per the linear pair axiom concept. From this we can find out the angle QXQ. By keeping 180 degree, substituting the value QX, it is 130 degree, we'll be getting the angle RXQ as 50 degree. If you see this one, angle PQR equal to angle QRM, that is alternate angles. So it will be equal, right? So angle QRM equal to 110 degree. Followed by this one, angle RXQ equal to angle XRM, which is the alternative angle. Since we already filed angle X, that is angle RXQ equal to 50 degree as per the alternative angle concept, we got the value for angle XRM, which is 50 degree from the first equation. Now in order to find angle QRS, that is QRS, we can find it out by QRM, that is angle QRM minus angle XRM. Since we knew the answer, the value of angle QRM is 110 degree minus 50 degree. 50 degree is nothing but the value of XRM. So we got the answer for angle QRS, which is 60 degree. Let's go with the other example. In this figure, if AB equal to CD, then angle APQ is 50 degree. So this one. And PRD equal to 127 degree. We need to find the value X and Y. So this is the given figure. In the given figure, AB is parallel to ACD. In the question it has been given the angle for APQ and PRD as 50 degree and 127 degree. From this, angle APQ plus angle PQC, that is APQ plus PQC. Since it's a pair of consecutive interior angles, that is supplementary. Supplementary is nothing but 180 degree. So we can mention angle APQ plus PQC equal to 180 degree. Since we know the value, we can substitute 50 degree plus PQC, where we can find the value of PQC by taking this 50 by that side. So we'll be getting PQC equal to 130 degree. Now, as per the linear per axiom concept, PQC plus PQR, that is PQC plus PQR, which is equals to 180 degree as per the linear per axiom. Since we know the value for PQC as 130 degree, we can substitute and find PQR, which is X. So 180 minus 130, that is by taking this 130 to the next side, it is minus 30. So the value of X is 50 degree. Also we know that X plus Y equal to 127 degree, that is, so this one is angle X and this one is angle Y. So X plus Y equal to 127 degree, that is nothing but the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So as per the statement, we can sum up these two. Since we know the value for X, we can substitute it as 50 degree. From this we can find the value Y, that is 127 degree minus 50 degree. So the value of Y is 77 degree. So X is 50 degree and Y is 77 degree. Hope you had fun watching this video of GTED Techno Solution Private Limited. Thank you for watching this.